Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to create and verify your Alipay account within just 5 minutes. Okay, so make sure not to skip any part of this video for any reason, because it's a well detailed and practical video, okay, for you not to miss out any information. And in case you are coming across the channel for the very first time, my name is Festus Henry, and in this channel we share helpful content on how to make money online, importation business, and many other businesses tips that can actually help you grow your businesses as well. So please and please kindly do it to hit on that subscription button, turn on the notification bell so that you will be the first person YouTube will notify when I upload valuable content like this. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive in. After downloading the app, you just click on it and it's going to bring you to this home page. So you can see here my picture is showing here. It is simply because I have an account already, but yours is not going to show here. Just come down below and click on where it's saying sign up. Okay, so it's going to bring you to this interface where you have to come and select your country, because if you look here you see China here, so you have to change it to your own personal country. For instance, I'm in Nigeria, so I'm going to change it to Nigeria. Okay, so I will look for Nigeria and change it to Nigeria. If you are not in Nigeria, you are in Ghana, you are in Cameroon, Egypt, any country, you change it to your country. Okay, so I also have to, okay, I think Nigeria is here. No, that's not it. Okay, here, this is Nigeria. Okay, so I just have to click on it, and you can see the area code has changed to +234. So I'll just have to input my mobile number, and please make sure the mobile number you are inputting, you have it handy, because they are going to send a message, a verification message to your. So when I'm done inputting the number, I'll just have to come down here and click on sign up, and it will bring out this interface. I'll click on agree. So after clicking on agree, it's going to load up. Okay, so I just have to complete this captcha by sliding this ball into this basket. See it? So you just hold on the ball and slide it straight onto the basket. So it's still going to load up. So you see, it's going to bring us to this interface where we have to input the code that will be sent to us. Okay, so I'm just going to wait for the code and input it, and once you are done, you click on the sign up. Okay, so guys, as you can see, my account has been created successfully. The next thing I just have to do is to verify my account using my international passport. Okay, so in case you don't have an international passport, don't worry, because I've already made a video on how you can actually verify your Alipay account without having an international passport. So I'll be leaving a link to the video in the description section of this very video. Just go and click on that link so that you have an idea on how to verify your Alipay account without your personal international passport. Okay, so what I just have to do right now is to come down to this icon here, this human icon written me. I'll click on it. When I click on it, I'll have to come up to this area, this top here, and click on it. So as you can see, if I should take you through this is my profile home page. You can see it's not set, not my picture is supposed to be here, but it's not here now. The rename verification is unverified, and that's what we want to do right now. So there are still other settings that we are going to be doing in this area. Okay, so we are still going to be carrying out other settings in this particular area, but first of all, let's stick to verifying the account first. We are going to come back to setting up our account properly. Okay, so what I just have to do is to come up and click on this rename verification, which is unverified. And please note, you can't use this Alipay account for any transaction right now since it's yet to be verified. Okay, so you have to make sure it is verified. So I'll have to click on this unverified here. Sorry, my data is not on. I'm sorry about that. Okay, sorry for the delay, guys. Okay, you see, it's not going to load up this interface where it's saying identity verification. See what it's saying here. Before using this service, you first need to fill in your name, ID number, and other information to complete identity verification. You understand? So I'll just have to come and click on verify now. So it's going to bring me to this area where I'll have to fill in my name and my identity card. Please take note, if you look at the top, it's saying add mainland China ID info. Currently we are not in China, so what we just need to do here, because if you should impute your full name here, your card number, sorry, your passport number is not going to be as long as those of people in China. So what you just need to do is to come and change it to your region. For instance, I'm in Nigeria, so we just have to come and change it to Nigeria region. I'll click on this region at the top here. So you can see there are different regions here, different countries. So we just have to head down to where Nigeria is, and as you can see, this is Nigeria. So it depends on the country you are watching from. Okay, so I'll click on Nigeria, and when I click on it now, you see it's saying Nigeria passport information. Nigeria passport information. Okay, so they actually need my passport informations. Okay, so there are either two ways of going about this. You can either fill in your name, the name on your passport, and then enter the passport number. That's you are doing it manually, but to scan it automatically, you just need to take a photograph of the passport, and everything will be scanned automatically. And I think that's the easiest method so far, but anyone that is more convenient with you is what you go with. Okay, so I'll use the scan to fill in automatically, then I'll have to click on it here, scan to fill in automatically. So when I click on it, you say it's still giving me two options, either to scan the passport or to select from album. If I'm to click on scan the passport, it means I'll just have to bring out the passport right away, put it below, and just scan it using my phone camera. Okay, but I have the passport saved on my phone already, so you can snap it, you understand? So I've snapped mine. I'll just select from album, which is the second option. So I will have to click on it. This is the passport here. I will have to click on it. So when I click on it, it's going to show me up like this. I'll just have to come to this down and click on this, tick on this circle here, and then come back to the top again and confirm. Okay, I hope you are getting it. Just follow the video carefully. You click on confirm. So when it's done scanning, it's going to bring me to this interface, okay, where it's going to show this. I'll just have to come and click on confirmed and submit, right? So when I click on it, it's going to bring me to this interface. Please take note of this aspect. It's saying verification failed. The reason is because, let me see this. It's saying the minimum number of accounts under your name has been reached. Account can no longer be added. Why it's showing this is simply because I've used this particular passport to register more than 5 Alipay accounts. Okay, and that's why the maximum number that I can use that a particular passport to register is 5 Alipay accounts. Okay, but don't worry, because I have a detailed video about that already. So I will leave the link to that video in the description section of this very video. When you watch the video, you know how to go through the processes of the verification, because for now this passport is not going to work for this account any longer. Okay, so I'll just leave that video in the description section of this very video, because after you've verified your account like this, now after the information has been verified, they are going to request for a facial verification. So if you see that video, you will see everything on the video on how to go about the facial verification. Okay, like if you see, and now you see have inactive accounts, I want to close that. They are not saying if I want to close any of those accounts that I've used the passport for. Okay, but yours is not going to show like this because you don't have an account before now. Okay, so just make sure you see that video. I will leave it in the description section of this very video. Okay, so let me take you back to my my real Alipay account, the one I've verified, to show you how to set up the necessary information. Okay, I believe you've got a lot of value from this video right now, so please kindly head down below this video right now, smash that like button to enable this video get to more people. Okay, and in case you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do it to smash on that subscription button for more helpful content like this. Thank you. So guys, once you are done with the verification process, the next thing you've got to do is to set up your details, okay, for your accounts to be properly optimized. So like I'll just have to come back to this my mail icon here and click on it. So if I come here to this area, let me first of all show you my balance here. This is my balance. I'll click on it. You can see I have 5 yuan remaining on my balance. Okay, so this is where I can withdraw, this is where I can top up. Don't now what I just have to do is to come to this area here and click on this arrow. So as you can see here, you know, initially there was no image here, so I'll have to click on it, and then I'll click on this image icon because I've added mine. That's why you're seeing this one here. I'll click on it. You see, you just choose your image, you choose image from your photos, or you either take an image. Okay, so after that you just click on it and it's set like this now. So your image will be showing here like this, your picture. So you can either leave it to be blank, there is no problem. Okay, so let's consider another setup. Okay, so when you are done setting up your profile picture like this, come to this second row and take note if it's showing verified here. You see mine is showing verified because I've used my international passport, and I've also done the facial verification. So you can go and see that video also for you to know how to go about the facial verification. All right, so mine is showing verified. The next thing I also have to do now is to set my login details. That is the details that I'll be using to log into this account. What I just have to do is to go back and come back to this area again, but this time around I'll click at this top, this setting icon here. When I click on it, it's going to bring me here where I'll have to click on the first one, account and security. I'll click on it. So when I click on it, you can see here, sorry, the first one is mobile number. You can either change your mobile number here. The second one is email address. So it's very good to add your email address because you can actually send your email address to someone to help you fund your account. So there are many advantages of adding email account. You can also use your email account to log into your Alipay account also. Okay, so add your email address here. This is where you set in your password. Okay, so here you can change to the method you want to use for your password. Either you want to use PIN, you want to use any other stuff like that. Okay, so this is where you just go through all this stuff. They are self-explanatory. Okay, I don't really want this video to get so long. It's so long already, but in case you have any problem or challenges in getting these stuff done, don't hesitate to ask me. Okay, so just leave your questions in the comment section of this video below. Okay, I think I'll just have to end this one for now, and I can't wait to see you in my next video where I'm going to be talking about how you can fund your Alipay account, use it for some other transactions, guys. So I can't wait to see you in my next video. Peace out.